Are you struggling to make money online? My name is George Escola, and in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a course that will give you the guideline of what is necessary to build a solid foundation upon which you can build a business of any size you want to build. Now, I've heard the statistics, 80% of the people who have businesses online never make enough to live on. It's the other 20% that are making the money. And it's actually the 4% at the top, the 20% of the 20% of the top that make 96% of the money. So the course I'm going to introduce you to is called 7 Steps to Freedom. And it will tell you exactly what you need to do to build a solid foundation upon which you can build a successful business. Now, here's the good news. The course is given by the 4%, and you can get a free membership to the 4%, and inside the free membership is this course, also free, 7 Steps to Freedom. And it's well worth your time. It's taught by Vic Streiss, who's the founder of 4%. He's an excellent teacher. He's got 15 years of experience online, and he doesn't hold anything back. He'll tell you exactly what you need to do to be successful online. So I'll leave a link below. Click on the link, get a free membership to the 4%, and then go through the 7 Steps to Freedom. It's well worth your time, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Bye now.